Once you've made some money online, you can withdraw it using gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or any of the many other payment options that are widely accepted across the world. Additionally, this service is totally free. You don't even need to commit money in order to start. In a moment, I'll walk you through a real-world scenario and show you how to do it in less than 10 seconds without the need for sales, referrals, affiliate marketing, followers, websites, or videos. A really simple method for beginners to start making money every day, nothing fancy. Just make sure to watch until the end of this video to know this new method in making money online. 5esquids make up the website I want to show you in today's video. You can now go to 5esquid.com, but please watch the entire video first. I'll be giving you a lot of examples, proof, and a special bonus tip at the end that you won't want to miss, all of which will make sure that you can actually get paid. At the moment, people primarily utilize this website to purchase, sell, and request different services for an average price of $5 USD. Check this out right now. As I go down, I see long lists of additional services that other people are providing. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to produce any movies, graphics, or similar materials. I always try to make it as easy for you as I can. I'll demonstrate a 100 done free method in this video that you can implement right away to make $5 in less than 10 seconds. And again, people are receiving $10 payments on a regular basis from different countries across the world, including the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Nigeria, the Philippines, India, Pakistan, and people from a variety of other countries. As you can see, you can get money into your PayPal account right now. However, there are a number of different ways to receive money if you don't have a PayPal account. To find the several categories where you can get paid on this website, click on the icon on the 5esquid.com homepage once again. Examples include graphic design, online marketing, music and audio authoring, translation, and more. In fact, I want to show you something incredibly unique on this website that was newly released. No one else is talking about it right now under the other area, which you can see here. I want you to click on this unique category, which is where I want to see your remark. And once more, rest assured that you don't require any technological expertise, design or video production skills, nor do you need to sell anything to anyone. As you can see, the Your Message On page has users from all around the world and is titled as such. For instance, this man, who is sort of from this country, is standing next to a Nigerian man. Additionally, there are individuals from Morocco, the UK, Russia, and other guys from Pakistan. Just so many people from so many different countries are gathered here. But more importantly, you can see that they are effectively making $10 every time they offer this service, and that is what you are trying to say. Be at ease, it's more simple and simpler than you might think. Now, all you have to do to access this website is click on that service. You can see that I will pay Einstein £5 to scrawl 3 messages on a blackboard for you. You can actually make much more than $5 when you swap £5 for US dollars. However, 5esquid, this particular site, will charge you a little processing fee. You may however be certain that you will keep every penny you are paid for all of the services you render. Basically, they will let you enter whatever term you desire and make sure that the proper attacks are produced on the whiteboard, as you can see in the preview. There are lots of people who will genuinely pay for this extremely helpful service. Don't worry, I'll show you how to accomplish that in this video. You might be asking how you can do that, how you can make a dynamic image similar to this one so you can type in any word you want right here on the blackboard. Simply enter Einstein into the search bar on our website, hedemil.com. To do that, you can see here that this effectively creates a dynamic Einstein picture, which is what we are aiming for. Now that it has been made specifically for you, you may see it here. Here, you can see how you can edit this image by adding your own text. When you enter any text and select Change Image, for example, the phrase will automatically be displayed on the image. You will see this text as well as an equation, a formula, and other information. Just for the purpose of argument, let's imagine that I want to subscribe to this video. However, let's pretend that I can key in whatever I want depending on what your consumers desire. You may produce a done-free photo identical to this one by using the 100% Done For You app, which is available right there on hedemil.com, and it all depends on what your consumer needs. If you watch my channel, I'll immediately change this. To reciprocate, kindly like this video. As you can see, in less than 10 seconds, it will appear there when I simply click this button to alter the image. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. And as you can see, people are asking for real money for this. Simply do this for 3 messages, and charge £5. There is a demand for this service, which you can give without having any technical knowledge or graphic design experience, as evidenced by the fact that this particular freelancer has over 19 ratings on their profile and that at least 19 people have used their services. Simply use the 100 Done For You program found on hildreth.com to create images that are exactly like these. Depending on the requests of your clients, you are free to change any tags. Once you've finished, you may quickly take a screenshot on your computer or smartphone, depending on what you're using. Now, for example, I could just quickly capture a screenshot like this in Presto. With just one easy click, you can save it on your computer or mobile device and email it to your customer, earning you $10 in less than 10 seconds. You can utilize Uncle Sam, Quaker, and Einstein's finished template in addition to this, but I'll give you a little bonus hint right now. As a sample, clicking on this template will take me to this page. You can see here that I can change the wording on the pictures I've previously taken for you. That will be inscribed there. I desire you. The bottom wording can be changed whatever you like. For instance, if you follow my channel, I'll change the image by clicking this button, and you can see that I can easily alter the complete poster with only one click. And there are lots of people out there who want you to change this design or post a design like this for them but don't realize how simple it is to do so on this website. As you can see, this is actually very clever and funny, and you can provide all of these things right here on Fiverr.com. So, just click the join button above if you want to create a free account. By entering your email address and pressing the continue button, you can register for free on this page. As stated towards the end of this video, I'll now show you another Fiverr website, and once again, this is a really special niche. Now, if you look for the keyword, Einstein your message on, you'll find that a select few people are making money from this growing trend. You can see that they are currently offering 1 service, 5 services, and 12 services, each costing $5. If you follow my example, you may complete the purchase in under 10 seconds. In fact, by typing a few words and clicking this button, you may take a screenshot in less than 5 seconds. So, if you're still watching this video right now, this is a fantastic chance for you to make money. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down